In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot notification sound issues in Microsoft Teams on your Mac. Whether you're waiting for an important message or just want to ensure you don't miss any team updates, having your notifications sound off properly can make a big difference in staying connected. Let's dive into how you can fix this issue step by step. First things first, open up Microsoft Teams on your Mac. Once you have Teams up and running, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Settings, and then select Notifications. Here, you'll need to ensure that the option for Play Sound for Notifications is enabled. This setting is crucial as it dictates whether you'll hear any sound when a notification comes in. If it's not turned on, simply toggle it on to activate the notification sounds. Next, let's check another important aspect: your Mac system sound settings. Head over to your system preferences and click on Sound. From there, select the Output tab. It's important to verify that the volume is at an adequate level so that you'll hear the notifications, and also ensure that the correct output device, like your built-in speakers or connected headphones, is selected. Adjust these settings as needed to ensure optimum sound output. Once you've confirmed that both Teams and your system's sound settings are configured properly, give both Teams and your Mac a restart. This can sometimes clear temporary glitches that might be causing notification sounds to malfunction. After restarting, it's a good idea to ensure that you're running the most recent version of Teams. Keeping your software updated can often resolve unexpected issues, as new updates frequently come with bug fixes and improvements. Check for updates within the Teams app by clicking on your profile picture, going to Check for Updates, and allowing the application to update if necessary. If after trying all these steps you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to reset the Teams cache. This helps clear out any corrupted files that might be causing the notification sounds to not work as they should. To do this, first quit Microsoft Teams completely. Then, open Finder on your Mac and press CMD plus Shift plus G to open the Go to the folder dialog. Enter the path C# library / application support / Microsoft Teams. Once you're in this folder, locate the cache folder and delete it. With the cache cleared out, go ahead and restart Teams. By following these steps carefully, you should have your notification sounds up and running smoothly. Whether it's for team messages, meeting reminders, or other notifications, you'll stay in the loop without missing any crucial alerts. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.